Well, good morning. We are in Redmond, Oregon at the Redmond Airport because we're getting on a plane and flying out to Baltimore for the Baltimore Tow Show. It's Friday right now. Flying out today, going to be at the show all day Saturday, fly back Sunday. So pretty quick trip, but we should get to see some pretty cool stuff at the show. So let's get going. And in case you're wondering, yes, I'm using my wife's suitcase because I don't own a carry-on and this is a carry-on trip, so that one.
This aircraft today is operated by our CRJ 700 aircraft. Your aircraft allowance, your carry-on allowance is one carry-on bag and one boarding carry AC in the next 4 minutes. Again, if you would like...
Those body scanners are the nemesis of anyone with an ostomy bag. They are a guarantee that I'm going to get pulled to the side and searched. Well, nothing like a nice groin rub first thing in the morning from a TSA officer who thinks we're apparently really good friends. But yeah, those body scanners show up that ostomy bag and they think that I got a bomb or who knows what, drugs strapped to my stomach. So you get searched and patted down and the whole ringer every time, and they are always very disappointed in what they find. Nice $3 water. Okay, we are in Salt Lake City now for our connecting flight, and there are a whole lot of people here, so we gotta go for a little walk down here. This airport is huge, and go find our next gate.
Ladies Maryland, Channing Ward, Adrian.
Okay, we found our gate. It's right over there. So now, next stop is food. So I gotta go find food that's not gonna take an hour because I only got like 10 minutes, and then go get on the plane. So the lines are way too long at all the real food places, so I did the best I could. So pro tip, if you don't want to pay to check a bag, but you also don't want to drag your bag through all the airports, especially when you have a whole bunch of connecting flights, put everything you can in a carry-on, and then pretty much every time on every flight they ask people to volunteer to check their roll-on bags. Go up, volunteer, they check your bag, it ends up at your final destination. You don't got to mess with it while you're going through 5 different airports on connection flights, and you didn't have to pay to check your bag. Just like that, we are in Baltimore. So now we got to go down to baggage claim. Hopefully we can spot our bag amongst all the others and then figure out where we're going, because I don't exactly know. So we are here in Baltimore. We've got a beautiful view of the parking garage. I guess that building over there is fairly cool. And you want to talk about fancy? Look at this. They put my name on the TV and told me to relax. Never seen anything like that before. So we're in Baltimore. We're gonna try to find a belt in that bag right there because I might have forgot it, and that's not good. And then we're gonna go meet up with the guys from Collins Manufacturing, because you guys know I've said a whole lot of good things about Collins over the last couple of years. What you don't know is that for the last about year and a half, I think it is, I've been testing the new prototype models for Collins 50th anniversary dollies. And at this tow show here is where they are going to be releasing them to the public. Actually, they did that today, so now I can tell you this. And they flew me out to be at their booth and talk to you guys, if you're tow guys coming to the show, and other people around, about the dollies and about the testing we've done and what they're capable of. And the kind of cool thing we did was, by me filming so much of it and putting it on YouTube and on the Facebook towing pages and all that, you guys have watched the testing of the new model dollies without even really knowing it. That's why there's never been a super close-up of the dollies in the videos or on the posts I've done. And it's also why a whole bunch of people on the YouTube have asked about doing a step-by-step how to set up the dollies, and I'm like, nah, I can't do that because they're a prototype model and I couldn't show them up close. It's kind of a risky move because someone eagle-eyed person could have spotted them and realized what we were doing. It was something brand new, but that didn't happen. So if you go back and look in the old videos now, you'll see that I've been running those prototype dollies for, I think we came up with a year and a half. So this is now the big release, the 50th anniversary. Oh, and to be clear, Collins has never paid me a dime. The only thing they've given me is that prototype set of dollies to test and try out. And I should probably clarify whether or not I have to give those back now. Not sure about that, but we'll find out. And so they've never paid me anything, never told me what I could or could not say about them. That's everything you've heard me say about Collins and how much I like them and what a good company it is, what a good product they have, customer service, everything is 100% true and how I really feel. They've never paid me anything or told me what I could or could not say. The only other thing they've done is now they've flown me out here to Baltimore for this show. So that was really nice of them, and thank you. So that's going to be it for this like little travel vlog and letting you guys know what I'm doing here in Baltimore. Tomorrow we'll be at the show. We'll be at the Collins booth, walking around the show, checking out all the cool stuff. So tomorrow should be a really fun one, and we will see you guys there. Good night.